Today, EXO Drones has officially made high-end camera drones available to everybody and anybody. Flying an expert drone like this is now both simple and affordable. This is X7 Ranger, the low-cost, high-performing everything drone. So where do we start? The quadcopter itself is aerodynamically crafted to be both powerful and playful. With a sport mode cruising over 25 miles per hour, it flies like a paperweight, but has the power to hover steady in high winds. From the box, the kit is ready to fly, and it's simple enough your kid can do it. But what's a drone without a great camera? With Ranger, you'll be shooting 2K videos and 4K photos, vibrant enough to stand out. Most importantly, though, the camera is equipped with a 3-axis gimbal, a state-of-the-art technology that removes all the shake from your video and all the blur from your photos. In flight, a live video feed lets you see the action real-time and HD, up to a half-mile away. The camera footage is saved automatically to your phone and a memory card, letting you post it straight to your friends. No experience? No problem. It can take off, return, and land all with just a tap, or automatically when a vital gets low. With a push of a button, Ranger can also circle you, follow you, fly along pins, or you choose from a total of 10 automated smart features that put you in the center of the action. With built-in GPS, flying is just as easy. Think you're going to crash? Think again. With the optional EXO laser obstacle avoider, you can stop all collisions before they happen. Now, this is more than just a purchase. It's an adventure buddy. With a foldable design, free travel bag, and no required cell service or Wi-Fi to fly, you can take it anywhere you go. Available in sleek matte black or eye-catching limited edition designs. Everywhere you fly, you'll be the most stylish bird in the sky. Oh, and don't forget the best part. It's an EXO. All EXO drones purchases come with easy setup videos, lifetime pilot support, free accessories, and more. In other words, you're in the best of hands, with satisfaction guaranteed on everything. Ranger was created this way so the world can have drones more easily and affordably, so you can have more fun straight from the box. It's time for you to get to experience this.